Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. USB debugging on, a DB installed, and your device authorized. Once connected, open a terminal and run a DB devices to see your device ID. Make sure the status reads device, not unauthorized. If it shows unauthorized, accept the computer prompt on the phone. Now run a DB shell to open a remote shell, because you're about to list and manage packages directly. This moves you from setup into action without extra delays. Once in the shell, find the app's exact package name. Use PM list packages -3 for user-installed apps or filter with grep. You need the precise package identifier because PM uninstall targets that string. To remove for the current user, run PM uninstall kuser0 followed by the package name. This keeps data directories but removes the app for the user. Make sure to watch the success or failure response. It tells you if the package was removed or if root or permissions are required. After uninstalling, reboot the device so the system refreshes packages and the launcher updates. Then verify removal by listing packages again and searching for the package name. No match means success. If the uninstall fails, it often stems from system privileges. Try a DB root or, on rooted devices, USU before PM uninstall or disable system apps with PM disable user instead. If nothing works, remove the package via a custom recovery or factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.